Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this effect. In left one we have around 40,000 particles. In the right one we have just maximum 4 5 particles. So how you do that in Niagara, use the maximum particles and then bake that to use in a very low particle count and it still look cool. So let's start this tutorial, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment. So let's create a first a random effect. So like I'll create a fountain, make it, rename it, anything you like. Let me save it and open. So we have this fountain, right? So what I'll do, first I'll make it, my system is freezing today. Let me check. So I will make it GPU and fix this. And in the location, I will use torus, maybe 100 radius. I don't need velocity or gravity.